Daf Lamed Hey Amud Aleph, Hahu gavra de afkid keifei. Hahu gavra de afkid keifei gabe chavre. There was a certain fellow who entrusted jewelry with his friend, Nizamim. Amar le. And then the mafkid, the owner, said, Havli keifei, give me back my jewelry. Amar le, the shomer said to him, Lo yadana, I don't know, hecha otvinhu, where I put them. Ata lekamei de Rav Nachman. The case came before Rav Nachman. Amar le, Rav Nachman said to the shomer, Kol lo yedana pshi'utahi. Any claim of I don't know is pshia, is negligence. You should know. Zil shlim, go and pay. That would be a good phrase. Ding, ding, ding. Kol lo yedana pshi'utahi. Lo shilem. Rav Nachman, but the shomer did not pay. Azal Rav Nachman went, Agbe la'apadne mine, and he took away, he confiscated his house from the shomer. Lisof, but in the end, ishtakach keifei, the jewelry was found. The aikur, and they had gone up in value. They had appreciated. Amar Rav Nachman then said, Hadri keifei lemaraihu, the jewelry should go back to its owner, the Baal. The hadra apadna lemara, and the house should go back to its owner, should go back to the shomer. Amar Rava later related, Havayativna kamei de Rav Nachman. At that time I was sitting before Rav Nachman, I was his student. Upirkin HaMafkid hava, and we were learning Perek HaMafkid, the same thing we are learning. The Amri lay, and I said to Rav Nachman at that point, Shileim velo ratzali shava. I quoted the words of the Mishnah, that if the shomer chinam paid and did not want to swear, he should get any financial benefit. So here, the shomer paid, so he should get the appreciated value of the jewelry and not the owner. Velo ahadarli, but Rav Nachman did not answer me when I said that. Vishapir avad delo ahadarli, and he did well, it was good. Yafeh, that he did not answer me. My ta'ama, what is the reason that it was good? I had made a mistake. Hatam, over there, in the case of the shomer in our Mishnah, paying and not swearing, he gets the benefit because lo atreche levedina, he didn't cause tircha, extra effort, of the owner having to schlep him to court, to Beit Din. Hacha, but here, in the case of the jewelry, atreche levedina, he caused the owner the trouble of taking him to court. The Gemara then asks, Lememra, do you mean to say, Desavar Rav Nachman de Shuma Hadar? Ding, ding, ding. That would be a good phrase. Rav Nachman holds that when you confiscate something in a court case and then the debt is paid, the confiscated item is returned. Shuma Hadar, confiscated items are returned. Not necessarily. Sha'ani Hatam, that case is different. Over there is different. Sha'ani de Shuma Beta'ut Hava, because the original confiscation and assessment had been by accident, by mistake, the kahavai keifei me'ikara, because the jewelry was really there from the beginning. It had not been lost or misplaced. There was really not a case of pshia. And now on the subject of returning shuma, assessed and confiscated items. Amri Nahardai, the sages of the city in the Beit Medrash of Nahardai said, Shuma hadar ad tresar yarche shata. If you pay your debt, you can get the confiscated item that was taken from you up to a year, 12 months of a year. V'yamar Ameimar, and Ameimar said, Ana minaharda ana, I am from that group of sages. However, usvirli, but I hold Shuma hadar liolam, that you can get it back, it is returned forever, you can always get it back. And the Gemara concludes the maskana is v'hilchita shuma hadar liolam, it does get returned forever, mishum shene'amar, because the pasuk says, ding ding ding, the important pasuk, ve'asita hayashar v'hatov, you should do what is good and upright, meaning you should go even beyond the strict letter of the law and go in the direction that the Torah wants you to go, of being kind and good to people and cutting them some slack, giving them a break.